Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, welcome, and I hope you like this video. Today I would like to share with you my strawberry beds, which is loaded with fruits. And if you like to see how I prepare my strawberry beds using my homemade organic fertilizer, you can check the link below. Our strawberry plants has been producing a lot of fruits, and we've been picking some every 3 days. Wow! Look at this cluster of strawberries. And over here under my blueberry plants, I planted some strawberry runners from last year, and now it is producing. Look at this! This is great! As you can see, I am using a net to protect my strawberries from birds. This California Wonder Peppers I have overwintered inside a house, and now it's producing, and I am so happy because now we can have an early peppers for this season. So I'm very happy for the 2 California Wonder Pepper that we got today and some strawberries. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated on my next video. Don't forget as well to press the like button. Bye!